Welcome aboard the Mary Valley Rattler, here in beautiful Gympie, Queensland. The historic steam train was lovely restored in 2018 and today is proudly operated by passionate volunteers running 3 days a week. At the ticket office, you can purchase your tickets in person, but it is best to book online early as rides do sell out quite quickly. The tickets start from $69 for adults, $37 for children and $180 for a family pass of 2 adults, 2 kids. Before the journey begins, stop at number 1 Cafe right here at the station. Enjoy a delicious meal or coffee while the sounds of the old-time piano music plays by one of the locals fills the air. Meanwhile, the vintage carriages wait patiently on the platform as the mighty steam engine fills up 13,500 litres of water. Excitement builds as the engine reverses to connect the carriages. Steam hissing, gears clunk, and the pressure building for our 3-hour adventure. Passengers gather along the platform smiling and chatting. Families, couples and friends grab a quick photo with the grand old engine before boarding, capturing the moment before the journey begins. Checking and collecting tickets with big welcoming smiles. It's part of the old-time charm, a reminder of classic rail travel from days gone by. As it's time to board the train, we step inside the beautiful restored carriages, settling into our seats and get ready for our journey.
Taking advice on this train will include these and some of the carriages. Ask your carriage attendant for directions.
We chug our way through the heart of Gympie, locals waving from cars and backyards as we pass. The train rattles over the rivers, dips under the roads and winds through the picturesque Mary Valley, surrounded by rolling farmlands and open fields. All ages, young and vintage alike, enjoy the ride as the carriages sway, creak and whistle. The engine's horns echoes through the hills and the smoke drifts across the valley. As we honk the horn and roll through Dagon, the locals stand waiting by the platform, smiling and waving as we pass, ready to greet us again on our second stop back through. It's moments like these make the journey so special, shared connection between train and the towns it passes.
Oh, you're ready? Yeah.
We make our way to Amamoor station, where it's time for a cuppa and a bite for lunch. As you relax and enjoy the break, a local family of four plays a wonderful old-time music, filling the station with warmth and joy. Here, the engine once again is disconnected and turned around under historic turntable, carefully controlled by the skilled staff and the drivers. It's a definite must-see. A fascinating glance with how things were done in the golden age of steam travel. Once the engine is turned, it's reconnected with the carriages and we board once again for our next stop, Dagon Station. Known for its wine, cheese, local music and handcraft goods, the atmosphere is relaxed and friendly and everyone's soaking up the local charm. But soon our day begins to wind down. Everyone climbs aboard for one last ride back to town. The carriages creak and sway as the train chugs gently along the track. The steady beat of the engine soothes and calms. Some passengers close their eyes, simply enjoying the peaceful motion and the feeling of stepping back in time.
In the middle of my self-release, you have unchained me. Giving me just what I need. No time for riddles. You're in the middle of my self-release. You have unchained me. You have you have unchained me. You have
So as we return to Gympie station, the train gives one final blow of the horn, echoing through the valley and town. The friendly staff come out to greet us, waving as we roll back into the station with a warm welcome home from our unforgettable adventure.
Self-release, 'cause you have unchained me. You have unchained me. You have
The Mary Valley Rattler truly is a wonderful experience, a chance to relive the romance and the magic of rail travel. So until next time, we'll see you on our next adventure.